Alright, today is International Cosmopolitan Day, so I figured let's make another rendition of our booze breakdown orange liqueur comparison video, where we compare triple sec, Cointreau, Grand Marnier, and dry Curacao. We've done this before with Margaritas, we tried the 4 orange liqueurs, we did it with Mai Tais, 4 Mai Tais, and we also did Sidecars with the same orange liqueurs. Make sure you subscribe, check out those videos. Alright, so today we're doing the same concept, but we're doing the Cosmopolitan. Now, full disclosure, I'm not a fan of the Cosmopolitan. It's not a drink that I like, but maybe with the right orange liqueur, I'll like it. So, let's give it a try. We're going to be using roughly the recipe from Dale DeGroff. The only thing is I'm not going to be using Citron Vodka or like a lemon vodka. I'm just going to be using plain old vodka. Other than that, it's that recipe. If you want to use Citron Vodka, go ahead and do that. So, first thing we need is 1.5 ounces of vodka in each glass. So we're building all of these at the same time because it's the same recipe. We're just using 4 different orange liqueurs and comparing our results. So this is Top Shelf Vodka. It's a local vodka here in Ontario, Canada. I figure go local with vodka because it all tastes the same. So get whatever's good. After that, we're going to do orange liqueur, of course, 3/4 ounce of our orange liqueur. We're starting with the triple sec. So triple sec is the sweeter of the bunch. You can get triple secs that are 40%, but this one here is only like 16%, I think. So it is quite a sweet liqueur. After that, we're doing Cointreau for the next one. So Cointreau is a premium triple sec. So it is a little drier, has a little slight sweetness to it, but it is at 40% alcohol, so it is a much higher alcohol content than most triple secs. But it does have a much nicer orange flavor to it. It's not as artificial. After that, the granddaddy of all these, Grand Marnier, the most expensive orange liqueur on our lineup here, and my personal favorite. It is oranges mixed with cognac, so beautiful drink. And finally, the Pierre Ferrand orange Curacao, dry Curacao. Similar to the Grand Marnier, it is made with brandy and cognac, but just not as of a premium level. After that, wouldn't be a Cosmo without cranberry juice, a full ounce of cranberry in each glass. This is unsweetened cranberry juice, just your standard Ocean Spray, I believe, and don't even know what brand I actually have, but if you like cranberry juice, I'm not a fan. That's probably why I don't really like the Cosmo. Don't really care for cranberry juice. We're also adding a little bit of lime juice, just 1/4 ounce. Just gonna make it a little more tart. Some recipes call for a little bit of simple syrup. This one does not, but if you like your drinks a little sweeter, go ahead and add a little bit of simple syrup. I'm gonna top my glasses with ice. And then we're gonna do a double flippy move, and we're gonna give each of these guys a shake for about 10-15 seconds. The hard part here is remembering which is which and making sure that we pour the right glasses into pour the right drinks into the right glasses. We're serving in a Nicanora. You can serve in a coupe, in a martini glass. That's pretty traditional with a Cosmo, but you definitely want a stemmed glass here. Beautiful pink color. I mean, you got to give it to the Cosmo. It has a wonderful color. The Grand Marnier one is going to look a little different because it's a darker liqueur, so it's got more of an orange tint to it. And I'm expecting the same, not so dark, but it is a little more opaque for the Curacao. Lime wheel or lime peel for garnish. Usually I would do a peel here for a Cosmo, but with these Nicanoras, I like the little lime peel on the rim. I think that looks really sophisticated. And yeah, it just makes the drink look good. There it is, our 4 Cosmos made with different orange liqueurs each. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get right into tasting them. I'm going to start with the Cointreau because I think that is the standard and is the one that I've had before. So pretty standard. I mean, again, like I said, I'm not a big fan of Cosmos. I mean, I find it kind of one note. It's obviously very citrus, so cranberry and citrus is what I'm getting. You do get the orange in there, a little tartness from the lime. It's fine. This one here, I do expect it to be a little sweeter. And yeah, because it's this triple sec has a lower ABV, so it's definitely sweeter and a little more palatable just because of that extra that extra sugar. Next up, the Grand Marnier. Well, I like this one. Again, not my favorite cocktail overall, but this one has almost like a sidecar vibe to it. Because of that cognac base, it kind of feels like a sidecar. I do like that one. All right, after that, we've got the... it's similar to the Grand Marnier, but not as much. It's kind of toned down. Ferrand. Yeah. It's all right, I guess. All right, I'm going to give these a rating. So, in first place, I will give it to the Grand Marnier. It's got a really sidecar vibe, and I really like sidecars, so that one was quite good. After that, I'm going to give it to the Triple Sec in second place because that extra sweetness does just make the drink a little more palatable. Third place, I'll give it to the classic Cointreau. Not my favorite drink, but it's classic. And then last place, the Pierre Ferrand just kind of fell flat. That one didn't add anything spectacular to it. So there you go. There you go. My rating for my 4 Cosmos. Overall, this is not my favorite drink, but hey, if you like it, experiment with different orange liqueurs. You might find something that you like, and let me know. We've done a whole bunch so far. So we've done the Margarita, we've done the Mai Tai, and we've done the Sidecar in our orange liqueur experiment. What drinks would you like to see next? What other orange liqueur cocktails could we experiment with various drinks? We'll see you next time. Cheers, guys.